What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a quick review video of the new AIAIAI TMA-2 HD Wireless and HD Wired over-the-ear headphones. So what we have here is the newest edition of the TMA-2 headphones from AIAIAI. We also reviewed the TMA-1s years ago, then we reviewed the original TMA-2s, and what the TMA-2 is all around is a modular style headphone, meaning you can customize these to exactly how you want them. You can change the headband for different materials that you see fit. You can also change the different cables, if you want a coiled cable, professional cables, or if you want like a smartphone cable. They have all of those options here for you. You can also change the ear cups themselves, so the ear pads either sit right on the ear like these leather ones we have here, or they can fit completely over the ear like these microfiber ones that we have here, or you can also get ones that just actually fit your ears better than what the other ones may suggest, different materials and so on and so forth. And you can also change the speaker units so you can get the sound signature that you want. My original speaker units that I got in the original TMA-2s, I believe, are the SO2s, and those are great for heavy bass because I kind of like heavy bass, so that's what we had on our originals. Now in steps the TMA-2 HD and the HD Wireless. When you order these, they're $299 for the regular HD that does not include any Bluetooth. You'll get a all plastic headband as with the other plastic AIAIAI construction, but they do have really good durability. They don't creak, they don't pop, they don't snap in any way. Very, very durable, even though they're all plastic all the way around. And that's usually one of my gripes with headbands and headphones, is that I usually like to have some metal in there, but these have lasted for years, so these are definitely going to hold up to the abuse of a DJ. But again, when you get these in the HD version, non-wireless version, you have a nice Alcantara headband underneath with memory foam, very soft, very, very comfortable for long hours of use. And then when you get these in the wireless version, you'll get a Bluetooth enabled headband that gives you 3 different buttons here for volume up, volume down, and skipping between your tracks and answering phone calls. And you also have a nice rubberized style of very soft headband underneath, so that way it fits on the top of your head very nicely, and it doesn't really give you any type of super weight compared to the non-battery and non-wireless version. The battery on these headbands do last for 18 hours of playback use. We tested that and we did get the full 18 hours as they described, and they definitely feel pretty light even when compared to the other. Not much of a weight difference when it goes to that, but the cost difference again is $50, so it's up to you to decide whether you want that wireless version or the wired version. When using wired or wireless version, the ear cups to the actual speaker units have outlets on each side, so you can always use a cable with them. Even if you don't want to use the wireless versions in wireless mode, you'll always have a backup solution with the cable that comes included with it. When you get the HD Wireless, you do get a nice professional cable here. It really feels really good to the touch. It's nice and coated with this nice material to really make them feel like they're very professional. They also come with a screw-on 1/4-inch adapter, and the side that plugs into your ear cup twists and locks in place, so that way it can't be yanked out very easily. The AIAIAI TMA-2 Wireless also come with 2 cables. Of course, they come with a USB-C charging cable, and that actually fits right up inside of the headband. It's kind of funny to get it kind of in there just right, but it's nice and secure when you do get it in there, and it's nice and stealthy actually where they placed it, so I don't mind that at all. In the construction, again, it's all plastic construction all the way around, but when you're getting the HD versions, you're also getting these new Alcantara ear cups, and they have really nice soft plush memory foam. My original AIAIAI TMA-2s had microfiber, and they almost look identical, but the new ones are actually thicker, and they actually have way better memory foam, meaning when I press this down, they stay kind of indented for a while, and you can actually see it kind of growing back out again. Whereas when I'm using my microfibers, you don't have that same plush effect. They do take a little bit of time to spring out, but it comes out a lot faster than it does for these ultra comfortable Alcantara set on the left, which are the actual HD Wireless. You're also getting new speaker units when you get the HD Wireless or the HD Wired. They're the SO8 speakers that you can find on the AIAIAI website. They're nice HD sound, meaning you get a good balance with the mids, the lows, and the highs. My SO2s, which were bass heavy, don't give you the same reproduction on the highs and on the mids, but I actually like the bass more in these than I do in the SO8s. But if you want an all-around loud and good and crisp sound, then the SO8s are the ones that you guys are going to want. And that's what you get with the HD units. Again, the wireless versions come in a cost of $350. You have all the AptX technology that you need in these, so you're getting a very crisp signal from your source material. And it sounds just as good when using these with the cable. When you're not using them with a cable, it always sounds about the same. And we have, again, the regular HD wired versions. These sound very good. They feel very good on the head, and it's just up to you whether or not you want to spend that extra money in order to get the wireless configuration. So in conclusion, the AIAIAI TMA-2 HD Wireless and HD wired versions definitely have good construction all around. They are all plastic, but they're definitely going to live up to the abuse because they're made very, very well, and they're definitely made to last. The AIAIAI TMA-2 is also very, very customizable, meaning you can change between different ear cups, you can change between different speaker units to get the sound you definitely want, and you can get the different headbands and the different cables, so that way it makes it just for you exactly how you wanted them. They're also very lightweight and comfortable, and the HD version gives you a nice new wireless headband that has 18 hours of playback, and the Bluetooth functionality is very, very good as well. And they give you them brand new SO8 speakers that actually give you a nice HD style sound that are very, very crisp and sounds good in all the full range of frequencies from the lows, the mids, and the highs. On the downside, at $300 to $350, I'm surprised that it didn't come with some type of bag or case. Usually at that price point, you get some type of holding device, so that way you can hold these and bring them with you on the go. And as always with AIAIAI TMA headphones, they don't have any real swivel feature or any collapsible feature, so that way you can have one ear on and one ear off monitoring, or you can make them down to a smaller form factor for travel use. So for more on the review, you guys can head on over to djbooth.net/DJS, and you can type in AIAIAI. You can see all of our review videos right there from all of the TMA lineups. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this one. Make sure you hit the subscribe because we have a lot of videos coming right before the holidays. And as always, thanks for watching.